How to invite Steam friends to games. So first of all, you have to turn on your Steam here. Now you will get this friends section on the top. Click on it. Now make sure you're online here, right? And this is a status. Even though if you're online, you can always set your status as offline. Now here you will get this option of add a friend. Now click on it. Automatically it will just verify your login information. Now it will look like this. You can send your this code, right? There's a several ways to invite your friend. You can send your code here. Once your friend enter your code here, automatically you both will become friends on Steam. You can share this link, so if your friend can click on this here, on this link here, you can always generate a new link here, right? You both will automatically become friends. Now if you're trying to search for any friend here, you can search for that name here, right? So I will just write here, some of the name, and automatically I have to find that your friend profile here, and I can send as a friend, right? So I can just go and click on add as a friend, and here you can see friend invite sent. Now what will happen here in the view section, you can always go and click on friends and chat. You can always open from here. Now it will show up all your friends here. For example, I have a friend who is currently offline, and this is how it's look, right? So this is how you can do. I can send a message, view profile, right? I can trade here, right? I can go to the manage, right? I can play game with this person, right? So this is really interesting. And here I will just go and click on find games to play together. Now we will be in the community, and from here I can search for the games, right? So it will show me all the games which I have and my friend also have. So here there are three games which both of us have here, and we can just select and we can play together. And here this is a filter, so I can always go and click on single player, right? For example, I want to play something like racing, so I will just go and click on search for it. Now it will show me whether I have that game or not. So this is a in GD I can play both of us, so that's why it's showing me here an option.